Welcome to our tutorial on the digital printing terminal. My name is Clara Wiebold and I work for Prinect service. We will now show you the various functions in the digital printing terminal. Among other things, you'll learn how to stop, pause and restart jobs and assign them priorities. On the left, you see a list of all jobs waiting to be printed. This is where you can view the jobs that are currently being printed. Below are the finished or cancelled print jobs. Using the context menu, you can select the number of columns you wish to be displayed for each list. Basically, you can choose between two output modes. In the manual output mode, jobs are queued in the Waiting Print Jobs window. To submit a job manually, drag and drop it to the section with pending jobs. To avoid unnecessary change of material, you can sort several print jobs by material, select and output them. Another output mode is to automatically output jobs immediately. To do this, go to the device configuration and set Automatic Output Mode. As a result, all jobs are automatically printed immediately. In the Automatic Output Mode, jobs are printed according to their priority. Now let's have a look at the printed jobs. This is where you can restart jobs by dragging and dropping them or using the context menu. If you wish to change your job settings after test print, you can open the job directly with this item. The Start with Settings function lets you start the job with modified settings directly. Here you can also change the priority.